What up, what up, what up? Changing out that crankshaft position sensor. You see the old one? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's make sure we do what the code reader says. Compared to the new one. Night and day difference. Pretty easy job. Take off your tire. Well, first things first, unplug the battery. Take off the tire. Take your 13 millimeter. Move the starter out the way. You ain't gotta take it all the way off. Just enough room to get to the that hole. And after that, actually, let me zoom up, see what's in that hole. Hey, that's cool. Anyway, just move the starter out the way, and then to get your 10 mil. Your 10 mil goes to that right there. And this is what it looks like right there. Just position a new one like so. Position that new one. You know what I'm saying? And then just match it up. Boom. Put that 10 mil back in. Get your super long extension. Always thread it to the left a little bit, just so it can find the threads, and then start threading it the right way to the right. Because if you just put it in and just go, you could be stripping the threads or whatever. So, you know what I'm saying? But I wouldn't recommend no drill, you know what I'm saying? Just get your socket, your ratchet, and slowly tighten that thing up, like so. I'll go to the new one. The 10 mils in. Take your connector right there, the purple. Let's connect her back up.